Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. In today's video, I am going to show you how to convert dollars into rupees on your mobile phone calculator. So guys, first of all, you have to check what is the current price of $1. So what you can do is you can search on Google. For example, I searched this today. So $1 is equal to 82.66 rupees. Okay, now what you can do is whatever amount you have, for example, you have $970 and now you want to convert it into rupees, so you multiply it with the current rate. The rate was 82.66. Okay, and then press the equal button. So here is your final answer. When you convert $970, you will get 80,180.2 rupees. Okay, let's move to another example. Let's say you have an amount, let's say you have $7,680. Okay, and now you want to convert these dollars into rupees, so simply you multiply it with 82.66 and then press the equal button. So here is your final answer. When you convert $7,680 into rupees, you will get 634,828.8 rupees. Okay, so this is how you can convert dollars into rupees on your mobile phone calculator. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.